sorry. I have to go.
I'm sorry.
Awkward.
Give me that crowbar. I got some killing to do. I'm a Christian. You got me up in this church, can't you, Norbit? Death do us part, huh? Okay, Norbit. Look like you done moved up the goddamn schedule. Oh, I'm cursing again. Pray, bitch, pray. Our Father art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Oh, that's it. Kate, please. Kate, please, I'm sorry. Kate, please stop and talk to me. Please, Kate. Talk to me, please.
I can't, Norbit. I'm just too confused right now.
I'm sorry. It was all my fault. I never should have kissed you.
No. I wanted you to. That's why I'm so confused. Good night.